Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following ministry under the Government of India operates the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI? A. Ministry of External Affairs. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. D. Ministry of Finance. Answer is option C. The Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, was established in 2009 under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to implement the Aadhaar project. It aims to provide a unique identification number to residents of India. UIDAI employs biometric authentication, including fingerprints and iris scans, to ensure the uniqueness and security of the identity of individuals. Consider the following with reference to the right to life with dignity. 1. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution is primarily associated with the right to life with dignity. 2. The right to privacy enhances and ensures the right to life with dignity. 3. The right to life with dignity is primarily derived from the directive principles of state policy. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer is option B. The Article 21 of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to life and personal liberty. The Supreme Court of India has interpreted this article to include the right to live with dignity, making it a fundamental aspect of the right to life. The right to privacy has been recognized by the Supreme Court as a fundamental right that contributes to the right to life with dignity. It ensures that individuals have control over their personal information and lives, which is essential for maintaining dignity and personal autonomy. The right to life with dignity is primarily derived from Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which falls under the fundamental rights.